Hello，呢條片咧會同大家講2024年 Paper Two 嘅3C 嘅，係啦，咁就一條即係你會用到 IR 啊，或者 mass spec 嗰啲嘅題目咁樣啦，咁其實 Part C 咧就會講 calorimeter 嘅，我哋一齊睇下啦。咁跟住係啦。咁你見到 Part One 咧就有個表俾咗你咁樣啦，咁你估到問你 IR 啦，咁我睇下題目先，咁就講緊呢個嘅formaldehyde啦，咁樣，咁你可能未必記得咩係 formaldehyde嘅，咁但係唔緊要，佢俾咗你咧，佢係methanol 咁樣啦，咁所以我哋咧可以寫翻佢個 structure 先啦，咁會幫到大家之後係啦做題目嘅。咁你知道即係佢係一個 carbon 嘅 aldehyde 啦，咁所以 methanol 咁樣啦，咁佢係一個 indoor 嘅 air pollutants，咁其實就係甲醛啦。咁你成日聽到裝修完之後會有陣甲醛嘅味道，咁就依個啦。咁我哋咧會有一啲 instrumental 嘅 analytical method 去 analyse 呢個嘅 formaldehyde 喺 indoor 嘅 level 咁樣嘅，因為太多咧就對即係身體唔好咁樣啦。OK，咁佢就with reference to the information given in the table below，咁我哋咧就要講到咧佢個how the presence of the functional group of formaldehyde can be detected by using infrared spectroscopy 咁樣嘅。咁佢個 functional group 咧就係 CO 啦，你見到。咁你見到 CO 咧，嗱 aldehyde 嘅 CO 咧其實就係呢個 range 嘅。咁所以其實你就答翻啦，即係佢應該會有一個 it will show the IR spectrum 啦。IR spectrum，睇下先 of the indoor air sample會係啦，會 show 到一個嘅 strong 嘅 absorption peak 啦。咁喺邊度會 show 到呢？咁樣呢，就係喺呢個嘅1680/cm to 1800/cm 嗰度嘅。咁佢呢就係corresponding to 呢個嘅 CO group 咁樣啦。OK，係啦。咁跟住，然後 Part Two 咧就係講緊個 mass spec 啦，咁樣問完 IR 就問 mass spec 啦。咁個 mass spec 咧就有個 mass to charge ratio 咧係29咁樣嘅。咁呢個咧佢就叫你問呢個29係啲乜嘢啊？咁樣咁嗱，佢甩嘅時候咧通常就會喺個 CO double bond 嘅左右甩啦，咁樣咁你計一計數咁樣啦。嗱，其實成嚿嘢咧就係1+12加1再加16，即係30。咁而家29即係少咗一個 hydrogen 啦。咁所以咧就係 H 跟住 CO plus 咁樣嘅。OK，係啦。咁跟住之後咧 Part Three 啦，Part Three 咧就係比較長嘅一 part 啦。你見1、2、3、4、5條問題咁樣嘅，咁就問你關於呢個嘅calorimetry 咁樣嘅。咁我哋睇下啲題目，睇下俾咗啲咩 information 你啦。咁你見到佢俾咗個 graph 你咧 absorbance against 個 concentration 嘅，其實你估到呢個係一個即係做緊 calorimetry 嘅嘢啦，咁樣。咁佢咧就話excess 嘅 reagent out 就會同呢個嘅 formaldehyde react 就會有個 green colour 嘅 solution 嘅，有顏色啦咁樣。咁就我哋咧 prepare 咗一啲 standard 嘅 formaldehyde solution，咁跟住咧就做plot 咗一個嘅calibration curve 咁樣啦。咁就 step one 啦。咁 step two 咧就係我真係攞咗一個 sample，係啦，個 sample 咧就0.1個 meter per 0.1個 meter cube 咁樣嘅 sample 啦，咁樣咁跟住然後咧就去 give 咗一個0.03 dm cube 嘅 green solution 咁樣嘅，咁你 detect 到嘅 absorbance 就0.5咁樣啦。咁 step one 同 step two 啦，咁 step one 就係攞一個 calibration curve 啦，呢個我哋會叫佢做一個 calibration curve 咁樣啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住然後咧喺後面嗰部分咧，我哋就睇下啲題目啦，咁樣咁啊 name the instrument Y 啦。咁呢個 instrument 我哋點樣度佢嘅 absorbance 咧？The absorbance of this green solution were measured using an instrument Y 咁樣，咁 calorimetry 啊嘛，咁所以佢個 instrument 咧就係 calorimeter 咁樣啦，咁就一定要串啦嘛。好啦。咁跟住之後呢，我哋就睇翻佢個 absorbance 同個 concentration 有咩 relationship 呢？咁其實好簡單嘅啫，directly proportional 咯。你見到佢係一條直線 passing through origin 啊嘛，咁所以呢，就 directly proportional 啦。咁你寫得仔細啲就 the absorbance is directly proportional to the concentration 咁樣啦。 OK，然後咧就3啦，咁啊 from the graph 我哋要 calculate the mass of formaldehyde in solution as in milligram 咁樣嘅。咁我哋睇翻咧，佢俾咗你係0.5，即係個 absorbance 係0.5啦。咁所以我哋可以喺呢度揾翻0.5嘅 absorbance 啦，跟住呢度，所以呢度。咁所以咧，你知道咧佢個 concentration 咧，即係 concentration of formaldehyde 咧，就係0.25個 milligram per dm cube 嘅。OK， 係啦。咁但係咧，佢問你個 mass of， 即係佢唔係問緊你 concentration， 問你個 mass 啊嘛。咁佢俾咗你嘅0.03 dm cube 嘅。咁所以 mass of formaldehyde啦，咁就會係因為佢係0.25 milligram per dm cube 啊嘛，咁所以0.25啦，咁就乘翻而家咧係0.03個 dm cube 嘅，咁所以撳一撳計數機咧0.075個 milligram 咁樣啦 ，OK。好啦，跟住我寫喺呢邊啦，咁啊第4咯喎，咁就講啦，佢咧就話個 concentration of formaldehyde in indoor air 咧應該係要 less than 0.1個 milligram per meter cube 先至可以 consider 呢個嘅 air quality as good 咁樣嘅。咁我哋就講下呢個 air quality 係咪 good 啦咁樣。咁你見到咧，其實佢而家個 mass 即係佢喺個 sample 0.1個 meter cube 入面個 sample 係有0.0075個 milligram 啊嘛。咁所以咧，我哋就睇翻啦，呢度我哋要 compare with 0.1個 milligram per meter cube 啦。咁所以我哋就睇翻佢個concentration of formaldehyde in the sample 啦。咁樣咧就係0.0075啦，除翻0.1個 meter cube 嘅，咁所以咧就會係0.075個 milligram per meter cube啦 ，which is 係細過0.1嘅 meter cube，咁所以咧佢就係 the air quality is good 啦。咁要答喎，你唔好唔答喎，因為人哋問緊你啊嘛。Explain whether the quality inside the room is good 啊嘛，你要答佢係咪 good 嘅，咁所以你計完數你要答it is good 咁樣，因為係細過0.1個 milligram per meter cube 嘅。OK， 好啦，跟住最後啦，就問你啦suggest why instrumental analytical methods are generally used for measuring the formaldehyde levels in indoor air， 即係點解要用一啲，即係其實佢條問題嘅重點喺邊度咧？就係點解要用一啲instrumental 嘅 method，OK， 咁就你見到咧，其實佢個 concentration 係好細嘅，即係你要度到係0.1個 milligram per meter cube 係好細嘅。咁所以咧，你一定要用一啲 instrument， 你先至夠 sensitive 去度一啲咁 low level 嘅嘢咯。咁所以it is sensitive enough 啦 ，sensitive enough to measure the very low level， 轉錯字 level of formaldehyde 咁樣咯，咁樣嗱，我啲字比較核突啦，唔好意思，係啦，咁樣啦，咁就係咁樣啦，咁就講完啦呢條，咁大家有問題可以再問我，拜拜。